Investing in private startups for accredited investors is easy using the OurCrowd platform. Our investment wizard asks some basic questions so we can personalize your experience. After creating a profile or signing in with your Google, LinkedIn, or Apple account, accredited investors can browse dozens of opportunities, individual company deals, or funds, with new ones added each week. Each opportunity has a dedicated deal page with all the information you need to make an informed decision. With one click, you'll find the deal terms, a company presentation, a webinar with the CEO, and Our Take, a comprehensive brief on the company and why we are investing our own money in each deal. Ready to invest? Just choose the company, the amount you want to invest, and click. It's that simple. The investment application wizard will help you complete all the required legal documents. OurCrowd's portfolio management team keeps track of all our companies and issues a quarterly report on the progress of each investment. And startup news to keep you up to date with the latest news on your companies. OurCrowd's diverse portfolio gives you access to a wide range of investment opportunities across stages, sectors, and geographies. Join OurCrowd today and discover a new world of private investing.